Hey YouTube, how's it going? It's Quinton here and welcome to tutorial number 5. And in this tutorial we are going to take a look at making lists in HTML. So as you can see, I've cleared out everything in the body and I've changed the title of my website a little bit just so that it says what we're doing in this tutorial. Okay, but other than that, this is the basic template that we set up in tutorial 2, so you can go ahead and just do the exact same thing to follow along. Now there are actually two different possible types of lists that we can make in HTML, and the first type of list that I want to show you guys is called an unordered list. In other words, the lists all have a bullet point next to them, so they don't have to appear in any particular order. Okay, so they're not ordered in any way, it's just bullet points. And to do that, you're going to go ahead and put in the tags UL, which stands for unordered list. Okay, and then we're going to end off our unordered list. And in between here is where all of our list items have to go, or all of the points that we want in our list have to go. Okay. And I kind of already gave you a hint as to what we call those, okay? Because each item in a list is called a list item. So we go ahead and we start that off with the tag li for list item, and we end it off with an ending li. Okay, so I'm actually just going to copy this. And now we can think of things that we have to put in our list. So let's say this was a list for Santa Claus, and we wanted to tell him things that we want for Christmas that he should probably bring for us, because let's face it, Santa's real, you know. So the first thing that I would like from Santa is more books to make tutorials for you guys, okay? And then the next thing that I think I'd like is a new keyboard, because this one has a really small shift key on the left side, and usually the shift key on the left side's big, but I didn't actually see that when I bought it and I couldn't send it back, so I have to deal with it now, a small shift key. Okay, then the third thing I think I want from Santa is Battlefield 4, the game, because I like to game, so gotta put that in there. And the next one I guess can be a game as well, so I'll go ahead and say Assassin's Creed Black Flag, because I do not have that yet, and it's the only one I don't have. I already bought all the others. Okay, so if we go ahead and we save this now, and then we run this in Firefox, you can see we've got a list on our page, and each item has a bullet point next to it, so they're not ordered in any way. We could change these around and it would still make sense, because they just got bulleted items, okay? And the next kind of list that I wanted to show you guys is called an ordered list, and these would be lists that have to be in order. So let's say I was going to make a list of steps that you guys have to take to become good programmers or write good websites, okay? Then I'd have to go ahead and start off my list with the tag OL, and this stands for ordered list, and then we're going to end it off with the ending OL. And in here we're still going to use the same list item tags. So the type of list that gets displayed depends on the outer tag, the OL or the UL tag, but the list item tags are common in both lists, okay? So let's say the first step to becoming a good programmer is to go to the Programmer's Creed YouTube channel. Okay, and the second step would be to subscribe. Okay, and the third point, we could probably say watch all the videos, because otherwise you're not going to learn anything if you don't watch them. And the last one would be practice, because you guys have to practice these things yourself to get good at them. So practice, practice, practice. Okay, so now when we go ahead and we save this and come back to Firefox again and click refresh, you can see we've got the two lists on our page, and you remember this was the unordered list, and this is our ordered list. So it's actually numbered 1, 2, 3, 4. So our steps or the items in this list have to be in an order that makes sense, obviously. Otherwise people are going to read this and go like, what the heck, how can I do point number 2 if I haven't even done point number 1? Who am I supposed to subscribe to? So that's pretty much all I have for you guys in this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment, like, or share the video. It's really going to help my channel grow. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.